Take a small beaker and add some yeast into it. Now pour a little warm water, stir it slowly until the yeast completely dissolves. Now the yeast is becoming activated in warm water. Now take a flask, pour hydrogen peroxide solution into the container. Add few drops of liquid soap. Now slowly pour the yeast solution into the hydrogen peroxide and immediately the reaction starts. A massive amount of foam quickly rises out of the bottle like toothpaste. This happens because yeast contains a special enzyme called catalase. Catalase rapidly breaks hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas. The oxygen gas gets trapped inside the soap, creating thick foam and giant bubbles. This reaction also releases heat, so the container may feel slightly warm. This amazing experiment is known as elephant toothpaste because the foam looks like giant toothpaste coming out of the bottle. Did this reaction surprise you? Comment your favorite chemistry experiment below. Thank you for watching.